Thermon introduces the Genesis Network for control and monitoring, the next generation in heat trace management. Industry-leading technology to connect and optimize your heat trace system, increasing process uptime, providing full operational awareness while reducing lifecycle maintenance and cost. Utilizing an adaptive and self-healing wireless mesh network, the Genesis Network delivers real-time visibility and smart data analytics. This industry-leading technology features browser-based user interfaces that can be accessed from the control room, the field, or remote locations. The Genesis Network, from the industry-defining company you trust. Thermon, a degree above.